What's up, guys? And I'm back with another video. And today I have some cards to open up. I have a Donruss Blaster and a Donruss Hanger box. I was able to get those. And I got this Hoops pack, $3.48. It says extreme value. And then 2 Threads packs. 16, 17, and the Hoops was 15, 16. The Hoops was, these are 16, 17, and this is 17, 18. And so yeah, and everything was just at great deals. Like these, you don't really see anymore, so that's why I was able to get these ones because like you don't see these products anymore. And yeah, so there were also 2 hanger boxes of Status, which I prefer is a good product, and because I like the design of the cards a lot. They both did not have the Panini sealing. Felt really tight, and they felt shook up. Like they did not, like every card was not in the pack that it comes in. So you thought that was pretty weird. So I did not pick those up. But yeah, the Essentials was also ripped a little bit, but it's all good. So I'll get started. Hoping for a Quinn Cook. Nice. Lonzo Ball. Essential Rookies. I found Essentials comes a little dinged of the cards, but that's fine. Essential Rookies. Lonzo Ball. Jason Kidd. Essential Legends. Nice. This is a nice card. Copper. And it's of Will Barton. It's a copper card. That's one I wanted. Because of the design. I like it a lot. We got, I think the rest is just base. There's 15 cards per pack. Marvin Williams, Marquise Chris, Jarrett Jack. Don't think he's even with a team anymore. Wesley Iwundu. Oh, Justice Winslow. Nice. Jonathan Isaac. John Collins. Maybe a Cook. Avery Bradley. Alec Burks on the Cavaliers now. Zach LaVine. C.J. McCollum. Kent Bazemore. So not the greatest, but pretty strong otherwise that I like the pack. So yeah, I'll show what's for trade at the end. I'll do the Hoops one next, just because there's not much to expect really from it. But yeah, not much to expect from the NBA Hoops pack, so I'll go through. Alright. Just so I can insert there. Gordon Hayward. We got some. Whoa, these are stuck to each other. What the heck? I just got them there. Kemba and Marcus. Watch this. Lots of pain. Allen Anderson. There's a Tolanovich. That's weird. Nurkic and Rondo. It's weird. Kostas Kalfas. And Tobias Harris. Wesley Johnson. Dwight Powell. Vince Carter. That's a nice card. This one's Ronnie Stuckey. That's weird, though. Julius Randle. Chris Middleton, Corey Brewer, Chris Bosh, Jose Calderon, Blake Griffin, Chris Paul, Double Trouble, Vucevic, Rubio, Smart. So I have a lot of those cards, but for the price, I didn't really want to pass up on this. Now onto the Threads. Look for Ben Simmons rookie cards. So I'm hoping for a wood rookie after you guys know, or the micro edge rookie cards type things. I don't know if you guys know what those. Oh, and by the way, I never knew if you guys noticed this. When I open the Essentials, the cards like are facing the back. I didn't know if you guys noticed that. That's pretty weird. But Threads is a nice product in my opinion. All right. Carl Anthony, set this down. Carl Anthony Towns, nice. Jay Crowder, I loved it this year's that year's Threads, 16, 17. Weed, Ty Lawson, Evan Fournier, Covington, sorry. TJ Warren, Clint Capella, Teague, High Octane. That's nice. Oh, this is a nice insert right here. Board of Directors, Karl Anthony Towns. That's a nice insert. Can show you guys. It looks like that. Board of Directors. Jordan Clarkson, Taurean Prince, Trevor Ariza. Whoa. TJ Warren again. Willie Hunter Gomez rookie. That's crazy to get two of the same one in a 15-card hanger pack. What are the odds of that? That's funny. I don't know what the odds of that are at all. I have no idea, guys, what the odds of that happening are. But they must be pretty, like, low. I don't know if that's ever happened, but it must have. But, like, the point is, guys, that was pretty funny. Like, it's kind of funny. So, 1 second here. Okay. Get the next pack here. No hanger packs for 17, 18 threads. Hoping that can change for 19. 18, 19. Whoa. Oh, that was facing back again. Okay, we get a Harrison Barnes. Oh, a numbered. This, oh, no, it's just backwards too. Wow. Okay. It's odd. Robertson. Like, this probably isn't numbered. What? Pau Gasol. Solomon Hill. What the heck is Harden doing in there? And Cantor. Leonard. Wiggins Hoops. That's gotta be a mistake by the company. This was sealed, guys. This looked very sealed to me. What the? We got Melo. Hardwood Pioneers. Oscar Robinson. What in the world? Hernan Gomez. Sabonis rookie card. Another TJ Warren. Russell Westbrook. Trevor Ariza. Guys, please comment down below if you know what the heck that means. Because I have absolutely, I was flipped, guys. I have no idea what any of that means. Comment down below, please, guys. Please comment if you know what any of that is about, what any of that stuff means, why their cards were like that. So definitely, guys, leave a comment if you know why that was. That's weird. I guess I'll move on to the new product, Donruss. Sorry, let me fix that. I'll start with the hanger box. 50 cards come inside of it, including a green flood parallels. Dang, man, that's crazy. Well, I'm going back to this. Can't open stuff. Cannot open this for my life right now. Sorry, guys. So sorry it's slow opening this stuff. But guys, comment down below again. Do you know why that was like that? Those cards in the Threads pack were hoops. Different year. No, different year the cards were in that. So, big fat packs. These ones are somewhat a bit harder to open. Okay, let's get into it. Dion Waiters, Ben Simmons, Geraldo, Rondo, Zach Collins, Larry Markkinen, Dwayne Dedmon, Patrick Beverly, Clint Capella, Wesley Matthews, Alonzo Ball, Klay Thompson, Markelle Fultz, Eric Gordon, DeAndre Jordan, Kemba Walker, Jaylen Brown, Avery Bradley, really. Zach Randolph, Michael Kidd-Gilchrist, Matthew Dellavedova, and bang bang! Lorenzo Brown Signature Series Auto! Bang bang! Pack was we got all base. Bang bang! Bang bang! Holy cow! We just pulled it. There's no guaranteed hit. That is the first hit I've ever got out of a non-hit, like non-blaster. That doesn't guarantee it. Oh, shoot, bro. Look at, and I know this guy. I know of this guy. He's pretty decent when he plays. Man. Okay. Victor Oladipo, league leaders for the PC. Winner stays D-Wade. One last dance for him in the green parallels. Nothing much, just an edge. Dylan Brooks, Chris Middleton, and Svi Mihalik, I believe that's how you pronounce it. Barkley Hawkins, and Marshawn Brooks. Jalen Brunson, J.R. Smith, Mikal Bridges, lots of flipping. Bogdanovich, Colin Sexton rookie card. Not Bogdanovich, Murray, Evans, Kennard, Mihalik, Brooks, Russell, Carter, Towns, Justin Jackson, Ariza, Landry Shamet, Kyle Korver, Jaren Jackson, nice. Thaddeus Young, Eli Kobu, who's actually playing, I think, and Hollis Jefferson. So nothing great. Nothing great besides inserts and the green and this. Woo! This feels like a pretty big, heavy box. So hopefully a good hit, nice thick hit. I'm definitely going to have to pick up more of those hanger boxes if you get a hit out of everyone. No hits guaranteed. Man, that's funny. No hits guaranteed out of that. That's... Sorry, I'm taking forever today. Guys, that was crazy, though. No guaranteed hits. But here we go. Should be the last of Donna's. Only last that I get open. Alright, we'll see which one's got the hit and save it to the end. This might be a little bit tough. What's this? It might be this one. Yo, this is tough. Yo. This one or... we'll save those two maybe. Again. I can always look at the top of the pack and see if it's thick, because if it is, then... We're hoping for inserts, guys, right now. Nice inserts would be very much appreciated. Oh, to start us off. Trae Young rated rookie. Oh, something. Russell Westbrook. Grayson Allen rated rookie. Don't have that one, I don't think. Landry Shamet rated rookie. Shiny. Laser parallel of some sort. That's nice. Will Barton. Julius Randle. And Chris Middleton and Draymond. We'll just pile up since there's a ton of Donruss cards. I probably won't go through everything that's not for trade, but I will. Like the brown one. The auto's not for trade. I'm so sorry about that, guys. But on to pack number 2 here. Oh, this one doesn't have the hit. No, okay. Lonnie Walker, Pau Gasol, J.R. Smith. Nice. Express lane of Steph Curry. LeBron James. CP3. Dario Saric. Anthony Davis. So Dario's on Minnesota Timberwolves, not Philly anymore. So we're going to probably be getting seeing some cards of him very soon in a probably Prestige. I would assume this year is going to include him in the include those guys that were featured in the trade in their different uniforms. So that'll be pretty convenient. Okay. This one definitely has the hit, I think. I don't know. We'll save that one. Usually I don't check that. Let me see. Alright. Blake Griffin. Troy Brown. Ray Ricky Jr. Mike Conley. Let's go! Franchise features De'Aaron Fox. Insert. That's not bad at all. Paul Millsap. Tony Parker. Evan Turner. Denzel Valentine. Alright. So we are winding down to the final 7 packs. And guys, I don't know why these felt thicker than the regular hoops ones. The packs, I don't know. I thought they felt thicker. Kevin Huerter. Might just be me though. Marc Gasol. Wendell Carter. Really nice league leaders of James Harden. Schroeder. Ingram. Dion Waiters. And Ben Simmons. So, nothing awful there at all. Thought it was a pretty good pack, honestly. I've seen some nice pulls. Like relics-wise, I'm hoping for a good rookie. So, yeah. Cal Bridges. Bojan Bogdanovic. Kawhi Leonard. Lock it up insert of Paul George. Nice one there. Lock it up, Paul George. I like that a lot. Avery Bradley. Zach Randolph. Jamal Murray. Kyle Kuzma. They don't have any gravity feed packs of this. I haven't seen, at least this year. I was pretty sad about that because I definitely picked some up like hoops inserts. I have quite a bit. This one I'm making sure each pack. I want to make sure I'm right with the hit. I want to make sure I know which one. Alright. DeAndre Murray. Jacob Evans rookie card. Andre Drummond. Dikembe Mutombo, Hawkins. Rubio. CJ McCollum. Kyrie. And Lou Williams. Some nice cards. This one might have the hit. I think it's this one. Nope. Maybe I'm right. I don't know. Luke Kennard. Nice. Ray Ricky. Mike Porter Jr. I'm not sure if the Porter's for trade, though. TJ Warren. I might have it. It's the thing. Franchise features John Wall. It's nice. Tobias Harris. Cauley Stein. 2 Kings players in a row, Buddy Hield, and Whitelock. Okay. Winding down to the final 4 packs. Goes by fast, guys. It does. Alright. Svi again. Dylan Brooks. Rodoni's Kirkas. Not sure how to pronounce his name. He's probably in the G League. Winner stays of Bill Russell. Nikola Vucevic. Alfred Payton. Giannis. Jonas Valanciunas. So, last 3. Let's see which one's the thick. Yes! Sorry about that, guys. Yes! So sorry about that. Oh, 1 second. Okay. I'm so sorry about that, guys. We got 3 packs. I think this one doesn't have. I think this one has the hit. So, or, yeah. I don't know. It's a safe bet to make. Or at least a close one. So it's definitely not this one that has the hit. Okay. It's not this one. Danny Green. Ray Ricky Miles Bridges. Derrick Rose. Oh, let's go. Russell Westbrook. Court Kings for the PC. Nice. Jason Tatum. Ibaka. Dragic. And Mitchell. Oh, man. Well, if we got 2 hits. Oh, I don't know which one to go with. Look at that. All right. Well, look on. We'll go with this one because this one has the hit. Okay. You can kind of see in there. No, it's not this one that has the hit. No, this one does not have the hit. But it has something, I think. All right. Kyrie Thomas. John Wall. Jeff Green. Dejan Musa. I think that's how you say it. Steven Adams. Yo, let's go! Robert Williams, Ricky Kings for the Celtics PC. Malcolm Brogdon. OG Anunoby. Damian Lillard. Nicholas Batum. And here's the one with the hit. This one contains the hit. Alright, we're going to move the hit to the back. We are going to move the hit to the back. Not sure how to, however. Alright, I'm not looking at the pack at all. Just going until I can feel the hit. Okay. Alright. Let's go! Fantasy Stars of LeBron James. It is a Lakers one. That's nice. Fantasy Stars insert. Kid Gilchrist. Dellavedova. Nurkic. Lopez. Sexton. Here we go. Hutchinson. Oh my gosh! Wendell Carter relic! It's Wendell Carter. That was the hit. A top 10 pick hit. I've never pulled one before. Guys, that was not expected. I'm not going to lie. Fabric of this one feels really good. I'm not going to lie. This card's not going to be for trade. I'm sorry about that. It's going to go in my PC from Duke. That's awesome. Just because I pulled this, I'm going to hold on to it. I'm sorry about that, guys. But on the bright side, money cards are for trade, okay? Many cards are for trade. Like, quite a lot. So, I'm going to show them to you guys. Wow. Okay. I'm going to show guys a lot of the Donruss that is for trade. I'm going to show what isn't for trade. Or I can just show what is for trade in case everyone's interested. I want to show the Donruss for trade. It might just go kind of fast. Here, Rose, Bridges, Green. Just because I don't want to make the video, like, super long. But I think everyone gets an idea and has seen the cards before in order to know what to want, kind of. Sorry for the long video already, on top of that. Space, which I think everyone already knows much about. Sorry for the waits, until everything's tilted though. A bit more, promise. Almost done. I just don't want to make the video even more long, that's the problem. This is the trade pile. I'll list the Porter as for trade, but it might not be. Just know that the Porter may not be for trade. Mike Porter, that is. Great box, guys. Young. So that the Trae Young ends that pile. That was the trade pile, and then there is more from everything else. Gomez, Ariza, Prince. These are off trade. Those Hoops cards in the Threads pack. Everyone remember that. That's the Hoops cards were in the Threads pack. I don't know if I'm crazy like that. But I saw that with my eyes. Sealed. That's everything for trade. So guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope sorry. Sorry guys, I lost my voice. Thanks so much for watching. Cannot believe we got these in auto and this guy is not in the G League, I don't think. I think he's an actual player in the team. And a rookie jerseys of Wendell Carter. So that was nice. So that was awesome. So those two aren't for trade, but I'm sorry about that. But this whole pile you saw is for trade. So I think we'll definitely get some good offers on those. So guys, thanks so much for watching. Hope you guys did enjoy. Thanks for sticking around. And sorry about the long video. But again, yeah, just thanks for sticking around and all the support, guys. And holiday season is awesome. And yeah, and maybe I'll start playing Christmas music in the back. Comment down below if you'd like me to do that. Maybe in like 2 weeks or so, in a week, I'll start doing that. Yeah. So guys, thanks so much for watching. Hope you guys did enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.